Over the last number of years, I'd had the solv gas engineers to service my boiler, and without exception, I was impressed with them because they kept my ancient boiler going. My boiler was more than 25 years old, so it was time to get a new one. We had gas and replaced it with gas. Easy suited me because I was tend to be very busy at work, and I was able to do emails and phone calls. It was easy. When I was busy, I knew that I could send an email in the evening or at night time, and somebody always got back to me by email straight away the next day. Oh, they did a really good job. I have the dogs, so I was back and forward, and they were mainly outside and I was inside. They didn't come through the house at all with any rubbish, which was great. I really needed help or advice, they asked me, and had it all done in a day, which was great. Really mainly the plumbing in this house, which is an 1895 house, and I know we have nail pipes and copper pipes and like Piccadilly Circus, so I had to have a survey of what they were going to replace and how they were going to do it. So that was good to get the advice. I have my elderly aunt I look after, who's 89, and her boiler packed in about 3 weeks after mine, so I needed to get her boiler fixed ASAP, and with her living alone, I needed to know that somebody was going to come that I could trust completely to sort her. And that all happened, and she had her boiler fixed. It was only a few days later in the day. So yes, I would recommend solv.